Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Squid Game Skull. I think it's a really cool design. I think it's also super easy for beginners, and that's what we're going to do. All right. Like I said, if you're a beginner, we're going to go through it step by step. It's only about an 8 to 10 minute video, probably 8 minutes. So stay the entire time, because if you stay till 8 minutes or so, you'll have a brand new skill. Also, if you love learning how to draw in general, you love learning how to draw, your favorite characters from movies and TV, hit that subscribe and click the bell notification, and it's going to let you know when I post. It's going to show you a little icon, scrolling by, and you'll be like, cool, I want to draw that today. And that's it. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to be using this marker here. You can use anything you want. Oh, ouch, I just hurt myself, sorry. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make the skull shape over here for the front. I'm going to give it a brow line, even though I'm not going to draw eyes on him. It's going to be the front of the skull like so. That's the brow, like right above your, like on your eyebrow, but the bone. Pulling up here, back for the top of the skull. I'm going to pull over, all right? Like so. Gonna curve around the back and pull down. Doing good. Doing simple stuff. If your stuff doesn't look exactly like mine, by the way, it doesn't matter. Obviously, there's gonna be little variations. Even if I drew this again, I might throw the line up here a little bit. The bump might be a little rounded more or something. So there's, we're not robots, so it's very, very, very good when you do that. Out over here for the cheekbone, down, in. Okay, cheekbone. We're gonna go this side, pull a cheekbone over here, up, back, pulling basically down to kind of a curved line over here, because there's a tooth cylinder there, right? Where your teeth are in your mouth there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the bottom, well, basically where your teeth touch. I'm going to find that line where your teeth touch, and I'm going to wiggle that line a little bit. All right. Next thing, I'm going to draw a line downward for the chin here. And I'm going to find that mostly square chin. I'm going to pull up at an angle here for the jaw, and then pull up. And I'm going to pull the skull in a bit here, so that'll make it better. Let's go into that design. So they're either circle, triangle, or square, right? I'm gonna do a square because I've been doing triangles for everything. So for all these other designs, if you look on my channel, I did a lot of Squid Game designs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw that square, and I'm gonna use a different marker. You can totally do this in black marker and it'll look just as good. Don't worry about it, or pencil. I'm gonna just use this red one because it's similar. So I'm gonna pull the square. So what I'm gonna do here is, and it's kind of higher up on the head too, right? It's like kind of the eye forehead area. Gotta do that. Pull across. Down. And then pull that. So you have that square, right? Next thing, I'm going to actually, I am going to thicken that out. So right here, I'm going to just kind of thicken that out there. This is really, really easy to do in pencil, by the way, to thicken it out. I think if you use the side of the pencil. Generally easy to do in marker as well. I'm just going to thicken this box out so it's more obvious. fill across underneath. There you go, you have that square. I'm gonna put in the nasal cavity, all right? I'm gonna go over here with the marker, the other one, the black one. Pull a line across here, right below it, down in like this almost home plate shape in a way. And I'm gonna fill that in. Right on. I'm gonna draw the teeth up here. And there's a little bit of dimple here when you look at skulls. Pull down. Back of the jaw here, like where it connects to the head there on the skeleton. There's gonna be a little bit of an opening here, like so. We're gonna fill that in. Kind of like where your cheek would be, you know, well, it's below the cheek. It's on the cheek, but like the cheekbone's over here. All right. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna draw a line across right here for the teeth. And it's up to you whether you want to draw the actual, see these, like I'm actually drawing where the teeth go into the gum here. And same thing for the bottom teeth right here. I would definitely recommend doing it though, because it does kind of give it more complexity. And then you can actually draw like thin lines over here, thin line in the back, just to kind of give the whole thing a little bit more flavor, like more detail. You're drawing these thin lines over here, kind of dictating detail almost. I mean, they are, right? So thin lines are detailed out. And if you really want, you could throw like a crack here coming from the edge. I think that looks kind of cool. Maybe over here as well, the front. And you can even draw thin lines of the gum right here. Like the gums and the kind of nasal cavity area as well. It's a little different because there's literally like there's no eye sockets, so it's kind of interesting the way that's going. Let me fix this shape, by the way. Something's bugging me about this shape. I'm gonna just fix this box a little bit. All right then. Thank you so much. That is it. Hopefully that was some value to you. If you got value from this video, there's one thing you can do that will help the channel massively, and it takes 2 seconds and it's free. Please share the video with someone that you think will enjoy it, or go down and press the share button and then auto share it to Twitter or whatever you're logged into already. It literally takes 2 seconds and it has a massive effect on the algorithm to this channel. Like you have no clue. It's amazing. And it also brings back, frankly, a lot of cool people that talk to me in the comments. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. When you draw stuff, keep it easy.